out of the well, sandblaster, but it has the glass beads in it, so it's looking nice and shiny. I'm gonna do something now to try to make it a little bit better. Right now it kind of has a dull aluminum color to it, but I think we can polish it up a bit more than that. What we've got here, we have a bolt going through the center. It's tightened up, but it's not like crazy tight. And we're gonna spin it around and hit it with some sandpaper, going through different levels to polish it. Alright, there you go, before and after. It's not ever going to be show quality because there's pits and stuff in it. It's especially this side. I'm not quite sure what was going on there, but it's original, and boy is it a whole lot better.